Hey guys, how's it going? Danesh here from Dan Talks, and today we have the Honor 600 Pro. Now, this is one of those really interesting phones because it does almost everything a flagship does, doesn't cost as much as a flagship, and can kind of make you question where flagships exist. Do we need to continue paying 5,000-6,000 dirhams for a phone? I'm not sure. But let me show you the phone, let me show you everything you get with it, and let's kind of then take that conversation forward, yeah? So first and foremost, what's in the box? Now, very, very simply, you have obviously a little case inside. Now, in this case, you get a nice plastic TPU case, right? It'll protect the phone. It'll keep your color going, so that's not a problem depending on whatever color you buy for the phone. You do also get a pre-installed screen protector, which I have removed, but you do get one of those as well. Then we've got a cable. Now this one is type A to type C. Yeah, you can see that over there. And then we've also got an 80-watt charger in the box. Now this one does a really good job. This is on a supercharged charger, and yeah, still really good to know that we get those in the box. Of course, we also have the phone itself, and I will come back to this and its body and so on. And of course, last but not least, you get a SIM eject tool if that's something that you care about seeing in your focus please, in your boxes. But that's pretty much it from inside the box. Next up, we come to the body of the phone. Now, as far as the body is concerned, we've got these beautiful metal sides, feel really nice in the hand. They have the slightest curve on them on both sides, so you get that nice grip and lesser pressure on your hands, especially if you're going to use it like this largely. It's a very nice feel to have metal in your hands. Apart from that, you've got the buttons on this side where you've got the volume rockers and the power button and the customizable AI button here. On the other side, you've got nothing at all, so makes a nice hold, like I said. As far as the front goes, you've got these extremely thin bezels, 0.98 millimeters, extremely impressive. And yes, they are even all across the phone. So that is definitely a huge plus on the Honor 600 Pro. Now, as far as the looks of the phone go, everyone's going to have their own reaction to these looks. We know what they imitate, but I personally think as long as you like it, as long as you are going to enjoy using it, there's really no problem. What's that saying? The imitation and flattery one, right? So yeah, I guess you take it as you wish. Next up, we come to this display. Now, this display is an 8,000 nit peak brightness display, has a 120 Hz refresh rate, is an AMOLED, is full HD plus, and is just great to look at. Even in sunlight, it looks really, really nice. And like I said, because you've got those 0.98 millimeter bezels, yeah, it's pretty much just all screen while you're looking at it. I mean, just to give you an example, look at this video. I mean, that looks beautiful, beautiful, almost uninterrupted if you're looking at something full screen. And that's something I really, really appreciate about this phone. Now, I do know that some of you aren't a big fan of these big cornered edges, but again, I personally have no issues with them. Now, on the back of this phone, we've got a 200 megapixel ultra clear AI main camera. Then we've got a 12 megapixel ultra wide. Then over here, we've got the 50 megapixel periscope telephoto camera. And here we've got the color temperature sensor. Now, as you look at the pictures that are on the screen right now, take a notice at the clarity levels. I mean, not just in the day shots, but also in the nighttime shots. That's something that I've really enjoyed about using this camera on the phone here. We've also got that 50 megapixel camera for selfies, and that too does the same priority. But check out these samples and let me know what you think. Now, it's not just about the pictures itself on this phone. One nice thing is that, let's say you're in the gallery and you go to create, you've also got image to video over here. Now here you can select an image and give it like the slightest prompt and it'll create a video for you. Let me show you something that I've already done. So this was a picture I took of a friend of mine while we were shooting a radio show over here in Dubai. And guess what happens when I put it through that prompt? It does a cute little video where I prompted it to convert her jumping out of the window and becoming a superhero. Now, this is something that's preloaded right on the phone. And I'm not saying that this is the best AI features in town and no one else does this, but to have it preloaded on the phone for people to have fun with, I can see people using it. Why not? You might do it with your kids, your parents or just family and friends or whatever. You can also use the same thing to convert old images into videos, and there's so many kind of uses for it. So yeah, it's a really nice little addition to have on the camera itself. Apart from that, of course, we've also got AI editing tools for images. So like on this one, for example, if I were to click AI edit over here, you can see that there's AI eraser, AI upscaler, AI cutout, AI painting. There's just so much. And there's of course AI color, which can change the color of the image completely for you using its AI processes and so on and so forth. So that's all kind of there again to just make photography easier for the average user. And I always like when such things are added in, as long as people use these features. Now inside this thing, we've got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. We've got 12 gigs of RAM, which can be upgraded up to 28. We've also got the 80-watt charging, like I mentioned, and a 50-watt wireless charger inside. And most importantly of all, you've got IP69K resistance, which just means that it's pretty much one of the toughest phones you can find in the market. And apart from being one of the toughest phones in the market, it is also packed with a 7,000 milliamp battery. This thing has been giving me phenomenal battery life. I mean, I have just been charging this maybe once or twice every 2 days, and it has done a great job. Now, I will say this, that this phone has primarily been used as my work phone, which means there's been a lot of works and emails and so on, a bit of gaming here and there, a bit of video watching, but my usage would be, let's say, in the medium level, but I still think even a power user could get a full day with the ginormous 7,000 milliamp battery on this thing. Now we come to the price. Now this is, like I mentioned in the start of the video, a 3,000 dirham phone or a 2,999 phone. And I think that that is a phenomenal price for what it offers, considering that the competition comes in at over 4,000 to 5,000 dirhams. What this phone offers is brilliant. But there's a lot more to be seen. This was just a quick first look at the device. I do really appreciate Honor supporting the channel as far as this video has been concerned. Do let me know what else you want to know about the Honor 600 Pro. I have a lot more content coming out. Don't forget to check out my socials as well. There's a lot more that I do on there as well. But until the next video, this is the Honor 600 Pro. My name is Danesh, and I'll see you at the next one.